Royal Challengers Bangalore made light work of the 150-run chase, getting to the target in just 17.1 overs thanks to super knocks from Glenn Maxwell, 50 not out, and KS Bharat, 44, in Dubai.
Yeah, definitely it helps each and every game. If you're playing at the highest level, whatever hard work you do back end, it really counts, on a bigger platform like this. But then not just T20 alone, you tend to explore lots of cricket with the domestic, and as well as you come and you hit the nets like RCB, and the franchise cricket. It all helps, you know. Yeah, coming back to your first question, yeah, it's obviously a good feeling, winning this game, and coming back to it, yeah, contributing, going out in the center, like you would prepare to practice in these kind of situations where you take on the bowlers, you take on the fielders, and you pick those gaps and stuff like that. So I was just me and Maxi, we were just communicating in the center, and then we did just what the team was required of at that particular time. And coming back to your second question, yeah, definitely. So as a cricketer, there's always a large scope of learning. Yeah, if you ask, he's a great individual who always works hard, and we really had some cricketing fun, playing and winning games. Definitely it helps at this level. Each and every individual will add to you, not just it might not be just the captain. Even your player who is playing in the 11 might help you to understand the game better, and uh, it's a good feeling playing alongside with him. Yeah, he's a world-class bowler, like we all know, and he varies his pace exceptionally well. And if you have to be right in the game every ball, you just can't fade off even for a single moment. So I was just trying to keep myself in the game, and then to read him from his hands. And we all know the lines and lengths he bowls. Like there's always a keeper in play, like each and every ball. So you gotta be in the game, and then you just enjoy this sport. Oh yeah, definitely. If you play with Virat Bhai, AB, and Maxwell, you tend to learn a lot of good things in terms of cricket, and as well as how to handle yourself in and out of the cricket. And coming back to this inning, me and Maxi B were having a conversation of what are the areas we could access, and what are the boundary options, and what are the twos and singles, and how many overs this bowler is gonna bowl, what are his lengths. So it's all purely tactical things what we were discussing out in the center, and it really came out well. So, see, number three is always a beautiful spot to play. I mean, it asks a lot of questions if you are, not ready for it. And we at RCB, we've always focused on, keeping the strike going, and, get busy right from the ball one, and, the little things of, running well, and, calling well, and, rotating the strike. All these little pointers, it plays a huge role in building up a partnership. So basically, the number three is something, if you can keep the scoreboard ticking at 8 and 9 per over, then you have a good base. People like Maxi and AB coming at the depth after 12th over, you have that wickets in, and then you can go all out towards the end of the inning. So the message is clear, saying that I should get a partnership going, and we're sticking to it.